ASUS has done it again. Just ahead of CES 2025, the tech giant has unveiled its latest addition into the gaming world, the ASUS V16, designed with the budget-conscious gamer in mind. This laptop promises to deliver a solid gaming experience without breaking the bank. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about the ASUS V16, from its hardware specs to its standout features. Whether you're a casual gamer, a student, or someone who simply loves great tech at an affordable price, this laptop might just be what you've been waiting for. ASUS has yet to officially announce the price of the V16, but industry insiders suggest it will retail for around $1,100. This price point positions the laptop as a strong contender in the entry-level gaming market. With affordability being a major focus, ASUS is aiming to attract gamers who want decent performance without emptying their wallets. The V16 is expected to strike a balance between cost and features, making it an appealing option, not just for gamers but also for general users. At $1,100, the V16 is set to compete with other budget-friendly gaming laptops like the HP Victus 15, which offers similar features, but at a slightly lower price. However, the V16's blend of modern hardware, thoughtful design, and performance-focused specs may give it an edge over its competitors. ASUS has clearly prioritized value for money with this model, ensuring that it's accessible to a wide audience. The ASUS V16 is powered by Intel's refreshed Raptor Lake lineup, specifically the Core i7 processors. While these are not part of Intel's cutting-edge Ultra series, they are designed to handle mainstream applications and gaming effectively. This strategic decision allows ASUS to keep costs low while delivering a dependable performance that meets the needs of most gamers and general users. Intel's Raptor Lake processors offer a good mix of power and efficiency. The V16's CPU is capable of handling multitasking, gaming, and content creation with ease. Whether you're playing your favorite titles, editing videos, or juggling multiple applications, the V16 is built to keep up with your demands. Additionally, by opting for these processors, ASUS positions the V16 to compete directly with AMD's anticipated Hawk Point refresh, which includes the Ryzen 200 series processors. This rivalry ensures that consumers benefit from optimized performance and competitive pricing. The ASUS V16 is powered by the NVIDIA RTX 450 laptop GPU, a component that perfectly balances performance and affordability. While it doesn't aim to compete with top-tier GPUs, the RTX 450 is more than capable of handling popular gaming titles, making it an excellent choice for casual and entry-level gamers. The GPU delivers smooth gameplay at medium to high settings for a variety of genres. Whether you're into diving into fast-paced shooters, exploring immersive RPG worlds, or strategizing in complex simulations, its performance ensures that players can enjoy visually rich experiences without compromising on frame rates or stability. By opting for the RTX 450 over pricier options like the RTX 460, ASUS maintains the V16's competitive pricing while still offering a solid gaming experience. This thoughtful balance allows budget-conscious gamers to enjoy high-quality visuals and performance without stretching their finances. For those prioritizing value without compromising too much on gaming capabilities, the V16 is a compelling option that highlights ASUS's commitment to delivering an affordable yet capable device. A key highlight of the ASUS V16 is its advanced cooling system, designed to maintain peak performance even during demanding tasks. Cooling is a crucial feature for any gaming laptop, and ASUS has implemented a robust solution to meet the challenge. Equipped with dual cooling fans and multiple heat pipes, the V16 ensures efficient heat dissipation, preventing performance issues caused by overheating. This advanced thermal management system minimizes the risk of thermal throttling, allowing gamers to enjoy long, uninterrupted sessions without worrying about performance drops. Whether you're immersed in an intense gaming marathon or running resource-heavy applications, the V16's cooling system keeps temperatures in check and performance consistent. For a budget-friendly laptop, this level of cooling sophistication is an impressive feature. It adds significant value by enhancing reliability and stability, making the V16 a dependable choice for gamers and professionals alike. ASUS's focus on thermal efficiency ensures that the V16 can handle extended usage without compromising its performance, setting it apart from other laptops in this price range. Another area where the ASUS V16 shines is its memory configuration. Unlike many modern laptops that sacrifice upgradability for a slimmer design, the V16 supports up to 32 gigs of DDR5 RAM, running at an impressive 56,000 MHz. This flexibility is a game changer for users who want to future-proof their devices. The ability to upgrade memory as needs evolve is particularly beneficial for gamers, content creators, and multitaskers. In an era where many laptops come with soldered RAM that cannot be upgraded, the V16's user upgradable memory is a welcome feature. It enhances the laptop's long-term usability, making it a reliable choice for gamers who want a device that can keep up with the ever-increasing demands of software and games. The display is another highlight of the ASUS V16. The laptop features a 16-inch Full HD screen with a 144Hz refresh rate. This combination ensures sharp visuals and smooth performance, making it ideal for fast-paced games that require quick reflexes. The high refresh rate reduces motion blur, providing a more immersive gaming experience. Additionally, the V16 boasts an 89% screen-to-body ratio, which minimizes bezels and gives the laptop a sleek, modern look. This design choice not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of the device, but also maximizes screen real estate, ensuring a more engaging viewing experience for gaming, content consumption, and everyday tasks. Audio quality is often overlooked in budget laptops, but the ASUS V16 does not disappoint. The laptop is equipped with Dur audio technology and an audio booster which work together to deliver rich, immersive sound. For gamers, high-quality audio is essential to fully experience the atmosphere of their favorite games. Whether it's the subtle sound effects in a story-driven RPG or the intense audio cues in a first-person shooter, the V16 ensures a comprehensive auditory experience. This focus on audio quality adds another layer of value to the laptop, making it a well-rounded option for users who want an immersive gaming experience. The ASUS V16 stands out with a design that prioritizes both comfort and durability, featuring a large touchpad for seamless navigation. It also boasts a comfort-forward design that enhances usability during extended sessions, whether for gaming or work. These thoughtful ergonomic elements make the laptop ideal for users who spend long hours at their devices. Adding to its appeal, the V16 boasts a mil-standard 810H certification, signifying its compliance with military-grade durability standards. This means the laptop is built to endure the wear and tear of daily use, making it a reliable companion for a variety of environments, whether at home, in the office, or on the go. Its robust construction ensures it can handle the challenges of modern life, while the ergonomic design enhances user comfort. This combination of durability and usability positions the ASUS V16 as an excellent choice for gamers, students, and professionals alike. While the ASUS V16 is generating significant buzz, it's not without competition. Alternatives like the HP Victus 15 offer similar features at a slightly lower price point. Priced at around $800 for the i7-12650H variant, the Victus 15 is an attractive option for budget-conscious buyers. However, the V16 sets itself apart with its larger display, advanced cooling system, and upgradable RAM. These features make it a compelling choice for those willing to spend a bit more for added value. As CES 2025 approaches, the V16 is poised to capture the attention of gamers and tech enthusiasts alike, solidifying its place as a strong contender in the budget gaming laptop market. The ASUS V16 represents a well-rounded, entry-level gaming laptop that balances performance, affordability, and user-friendly features. With its capable hardware, advanced cooling system, upgradable memory, and thoughtful design, ASUS has created a device that caters to a wide range of users. Whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or someone who needs a reliable laptop for everyday use, the V16 promises to deliver a satisfying experience without breaking the bank. As CES 2025 approaches, the V16 is set to make waves in the gaming world, proving that you don't need to spend a fortune to enjoy a great gaming laptop. So, what do you think about the ASUS V16? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.